Imagine a world where you have an AI assistant who can write essays, answer questions, and even code for you. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. With ChatGPT, anything is possible. So get ready to learn how to use ChatGPT in 2025. Trust me, this is one skill you won't regret learning. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tech news and tutorials. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data and can generate coherent and contextually relevant responses to user inputs. What sets ChatGPT apart from other chatbots is its ability to understand and respond to complex queries that require multiple turns of conversation. It can remember what was discussed in previous messages and use that information to inform its responses. Whether you need to ask for a leave or arrange a meeting, ChatGPT can help you craft the perfect email. Signing up is easy and you can do it by visiting the website. Once you have signed up, you can start exploring ChatGPT and its features. First, it's important to be clear and specific with your prompts. For example, if you want ChatGPT to generate a list of healthy recipes, you could provide it with a few examples of the types of recipes you're interested in. This will help ChatGPT generate a list that is more tailored to your needs. One of the most common mistakes is not being specific enough with your prompts. ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data and can generate responses that are grammatically correct and coherent. ChatGPT is designed for legitimate use cases, and spamming or abusing the system can result in your access being revoked. By following the tips and tricks we have discussed today, you can get the most out of ChatGPT and make the most of its powerful capabilities. We hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. And if you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next one. However, it is also important to be aware of the limitations of ChatGPT and to avoid common mistakes that can reduce its effectiveness. As ChatGPT continues to evolve and improve, we can expect it to become an even more valuable tool for communication, collaboration, and productivity. Instead, use ChatGPT for its intended purposes such as generating content, answering questions, or assisting with coding. However, this does not mean that the information it generates is always true or reliable. It is important to double-check any information you receive from ChatGPT and use your own judgment when using it. Additionally, avoid using ChatGPT to generate harmful or offensive content. ChatGPT is not allowed to generate responses that are hateful, discriminatory, or otherwise offensive. If you try to use it to generate this type of content, your access to ChatGPT may be revoked. Remember that ChatGPT is a tool that needs clear instructions to function properly. If you are not specific enough with your prompts, you may not get the results you are looking for. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT to write an essay about history, try asking it to write an essay about the French Revolution. This will help ChatGPT generate a more focused and relevant essay. Additionally, you can use Chat's code interpreter feature to perform calculations or run code snippets. This feature allows you to input code and receive output from ChatGPT, making it a powerful tool for developers or anyone who needs to perform calculations. To use the code interpreter feature, simply type /code followed by your code snippet. ChatGPT will then execute the code and provide you with the output. The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can understand what you want and generate a more accurate response. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT to write an essay about climate change, try asking it to write a 500-word essay about the impact of climate change on the local community. This will help ChatGPT generate a more focused and relevant essay. The interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, and you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. When you first log in, you will be greeted with a chat window where you can type your messages and receive responses from ChatGPT. It's always a good idea to double-check any information you receive from ChatGPT and use your own judgment when using ChatGPT. To summarize, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes, from writing emails to generating content and even learning new skills. By following these tips, you can get the most out of ChatGPT and make the most of its powerful capabilities. Below the chat window, you will find a menu bar with various options. These include a tutorial that provides information about ChatGPT and its features, a settings option where you can customize your experience, and a help center where you can find answers to frequently asked questions. Simply provide it with the necessary details and ChatGPT will generate an email that you can then edit and send. You can continue the conversation by messaging back and forth with ChatGPT. If you want to try out some of the advanced features of ChatGPT, you may need to sign up for ChatGPT Plus. This is a premium subscription that gives you access to exclusive features such as custom GPTs and voice mode. To sign up for ChatGPT Plus, click on the pricing option in the menu bar and choose the subscription plan that works for you. Once you have signed up, you can access the advanced features and take your ChatGPT experience to the next level. Another popular use case is generating content. If you are a blogger or a content writer, ChatGPT can help you overcome writer's block and generate ideas for your next article. You can also use it to generate summaries or outlines for your content. ChatGPT can also help you with coding. If you are a developer or a programmer, ChatGPT can help you debug your code or generate code snippets for specific tasks. It can also provide explanations for different coding concepts. Similarly, if you are a student or looking to learn a new skill, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource. You can ask it questions about any topic and it will provide you with accurate and up-to-date information. It can also help you learn new languages or skills by providing you with resources and exercises. This makes it possible for ChatGPT to engage in natural-sounding conversations with users and provide them with more personalized and helpful responses. Today, we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT. One of the most popular features is custom GPTs, which allow users to create their own chatbots based on specific use cases or domains. For example, a customer service representative could create a chatbot that specializes in answering questions about a particular product or service. Another popular feature is voice mode, which allows users to interact with ChatGPT using their voices. This feature is available through a separate app called Whisper, and it allows for more natural and intuitive conversations with the chatbot. Additionally, ChatGPT has been integrated with a number of other apps and services including Canva, a graphic design tool, and Zapier, an automation platform. These integrations allow users to perform various tasks, such as generating images from text descriptions using Midjourney or automating workflows between different apps using Zapier. Overall, ChatGPT is a highly versatile and powerful platform that offers a wide range of features and tools for communication, collaboration, and productivity. Whether you are looking to automate tasks, generate content, or simply have a conversation with an AI-powered chatbot, ChatGPT has you covered. And if you enjoy what you see, hit that like button to show us some love. Now let's dive into today's video. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how ChatGPT can revolutionize the way you work and play. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our exciting videos. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI based on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture. In addition to its conversational abilities, ChatGPT also offers several other features and tools that make it a powerful and versatile platform for communication and collaboration. Now that we know what ChatGPT is and what it has to offer, let's explore some real-life use cases. One of the most common uses for ChatGPT is writing emails. Now that you know what ChatGPT can do, let's see how you can get started. To use ChatGPT, simply enter your message in the chat window and press Enter. ChatGPT will process your message and generate a response. Now that you know how to get started, let's explore some tips and tricks for getting the most out of ChatGPT. Another tip is to use examples to help ChatGPT understand what you want. It is also important to keep in mind that ChatGPT is still under development and may not always provide accurate or reliable information. Now let's look at some common mistakes to avoid when using ChatGPT. Another mistake to avoid is using ChatGPT to generate false or misleading information. Finally, don't use ChatGPT to spam or abuse the system. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the world of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT.